Hello my beautiful friends, welcome to Sarvi Shining Life. My today's video is all about having a complete white dress. You know, we ladies are obsessed with dresses. You know, we keep on buying so many dresses, and we keep on buying and stuff everything's in the closet, and when time actually comes to wear, oh my god, we're all confused what to wear. So in this type of situation, when you are absolutely confused what to wear, then you must have a complete white dress. You know, white is a symbol of purity, and white is so soothing to eyes, and it is all season friendly. I will just show you the dress I am wearing right now. Just have a look. This is a white churidar, and this is a white kurta, and this is a white chiffon dupatta. My churidar is of net material, and kurta is also of net material, and this is a plain chiffon dupatta. You can just have a look. I have done a little bit work in this dupatta. You can see, just have a look. It's all visible to you. Actually, some women do not want complete white dresses. You know, they don't like complete white dress. So in this type of situation, you can add a little bit color to it, as I have done in my dupatta. You know, this is in the plain chiffon dupatta. I just bought a fabric glue. You know, these are available in the market, and these are available in all sort of colors. So you can buy a fabric glue of color of your choice, and you can just work. You can do a little bit design in your dupatta, or maybe in your kurta. If you are having a plain kurta, you can do a little bit sequences there. You can add little bit piping to your dresses, or you can add little laces to your dresses, and you can just make it not completely white, but little bit you can add color, and the color you should select should be very light. Do not select very bright colors, else it's not going to be a complete white dress. And you know, look at the jewelry you should wear with the white should be very minimal, and the makeup too should be minimal, because keep all heavy jewelries and heavy makeup for special occasions. We must have a different look for all kind of situations. For our casual look and daily look, you know, we must have a simple and graceful look, and heavier makeup and heavier jewelry should be kept for special occasions. Then only we can see the difference, we can find difference in ourselves. So just look at my dress. It's all complete white down. This is white kurta and white dupatta with little bit of sequences, you know, and it is giving such a graceful look. You can just see, this is so nice. So you too can have a complete white dress, add a little bit this color, light shade, and you can just have a complete white dress, and then your confusion will be clear. Whenever you are confused about what to wear, just take out your white dress and wear it. So just look at this. This is looking so nice, so graceful, you know. So this is how you too can wear our white dresses, and a white dress, I must say, all ladies must have, you know. So that's all for today. This is what I wanted to share with you all. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do like, share, subscribe, and very soon I'll be coming with my next video. Until then, bye bye. Love you all. Bye bye.